Looking for a new way to celebrate Mom on her special day? Throw her a beautiful and bite-worthy brunch board. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to make Mom smile and give her a welcome break by building a bright and delicious brunch board filled with sweet and savory delights. To make the dip, start by beating an 8-ounce container of Hy-Vee whipped cream cheese and a 4-ounce container of Soiree traditional crumbled feta cheese in a medium bowl. Turn the electric mixer to high until combined. Next, add 3 tablespoons of Chosen Foods avocado oil, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, a half teaspoon of Hy-Vee crushed red pepper, and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Beat for 2 minutes until light and fluffy and divide into serving bowls. Garnish with additional avocado oil, crushed red pepper, and fresh dill if desired. To assemble the board, I'm going to first place a small bowl of strawberry yogurt surrounded by fresh berries. Next, I'm placing the whipped lemon feta dip and some olive oil crostinis. Place salty items like prosciutto, olives, or pistachios. After that, I'll place mixed veggie dippers like cucumber slices, carrot sticks, or cherry tomatoes. Finish off the board with some sweet treats like Good Measure creamy almond butter and blueberry bars. Other fun options include a heartfelt mug, a Hy-Vee floral arrangement, and a Hallmark card. Non-food extras help balance between celebrating and overindulging. Gift your mom items that express how you feel. Find this whipped lemon feta dip recipe for mom on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, follow us on Facebook or Instagram at Hy-Vee Dietitians.